In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix Tesla Cruise Control not working, a common issue faced by some Model 3 and Model S owners. If you've been having trouble activating or using cruise control, here are some simple steps to resolve the problem. First, ensure your Tesla's software is updated. Outdated firmware can cause features like cruise control to malfunction. Go to your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Software Update, and install any pending updates. Next, check if your car is in the proper mode for cruise control. Make sure you're driving above the minimum speed required, usually around 18 to 20 miles per hour, depending on the model. If it's still not working, try resetting the system. Turn off your car completely, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can often clear glitches. Another thing to check is your steering wheel controls. Ensure the cruise control stalk or button isn't physically damaged and is functioning properly. If the issue persists, recalibrate the autopilot sensors by visiting a Tesla service center. They'll ensure everything is aligned correctly. Lastly, verify that there are no obstructions or dirt on the cameras and sensors, as this can interfere with functionality. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching and safe driving.